How to fix cannot connect to Google Play Store on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you have the stable internet connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, then you can switch to a cellular data as well. So as you can see, I have the internet connection properly. Next, what you can do is just go to the Google Play Store app and make a long press on it and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you'll be led to a new page where you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and then tap on Clear Cache and OK. If it's possible, tap on Clear All Data and delete all data. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here so that you have smooth operation of the application on your device. Next, what you can do is just tap on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might fix your issue as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.